The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. After opening the glove box, press these two plastic tabs to release the glove box. Lower the glove box, and you should see the location of the cabin air filter. Unclip the three tabs on the filter housing cover, then lift the cover. Remove the old filter, then clean the debris left inside the cabin. Install the new filter. The airflow direction is from the top to the bottom, so the airflow arrow should be pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover and lift up the glove box. That's it. Super easy. Shop the cabin air filter for your vehicle today at www.freshenup.ca.